Top of the morning to you from Nanny's Italian Kitchen. I sounded like Italian, right? Anyway, I got corned beef in the oven. I'm putting Irish soda bread in the oven, and we're gonna have a festive St. Patrick's Day. So what I'm gonna do here is I got 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna sift it here. That's gonna take a minute or two. Halfway through, I'm gonna put in the sugar, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And there we go, we get it all sifted together. Okay, now we're going to put in a stick of melted butter that I cooled off. One egg beaten. And a cup and a half of buttermilk. Mix that all together. If you need a little bit more flour, just add it. Okay, I'm going to use my hands now. Or my hand. Wow, that's just about right. And what I'm going to add at this point is raisins. 1 ounce of raisins. Mix it in. The oven should be preheated at 375. And you're going to put this in for about, I would say, 35 minutes. But I'll put the exact amount in the recipe below. So here we go. Wow, look at that. Whew. I'm going to put this on a parchment paper lined tray right here. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, in the oven it goes. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's been about actually 37 or 38 minutes. We're going to put a little bit of butter on it. Whoa. Just a little bit. Whoa. Mmm. That's good. Soft on the inside, crunchy on the outside. Happy St. Patrick's Day.